How to manage your money in your 20s, it's not just about paying bills and buying the latest gadgets. It's about laying the groundwork for your financial future. This is the time to set habits that will help you build wealth and achieve financial security. It's about understanding the value of every penny and making it work for you. It's about taking control and planning for a comfortable future. So, are you ready to take control of your finances? Let's dive in. First things first, set your financial goals. Think of them as the compass guiding your money management journey. They could be short-term, like saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt, or they could be long-term, like planning to buy a house or setting up your retirement savings. Having clear financial goals not only gives direction to your money, it also gives purpose to your earning. Remember, your goals are the roadmap to your financial future. Next up, we have budgeting, your financial compass. It's a simple concept, really. By tracking your income and expenses, you get to see where your money goes each month, but it's not just about keeping tabs. It's about understanding your spending habits, identifying areas to cut back, and finding ways to save more. Yes, it takes a bit of discipline, but the reward is undeniable. Because let's face it, a well-planned budget is your first step towards financial freedom. Now let's talk about saving and investing, your financial growth tools. Think of your income as a pie. A piece of that pie should be tucked away every month, save for a rainy day or a future goal. But let's kick it up a notch. Why let your savings just sit there when they can be put to work? That's where investing comes in. By investing, you're giving your money a job, a mission to grow and multiply over time. It's like planting a seed and watching it sprout into a money tree, thanks to the magical power of compound interest. Remember, the sooner you start saving and investing, the brighter your financial future. So that's a wrap on managing your money in your 20s. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed. First, setting financial goals. This is the foundation. It gives you something to aim for. Next, we talked about budgeting, the roadmap for your finances. It's all about controlling your money, not letting it control you. And finally, saving and investing, the golden keys to building wealth. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about growing it too. We hope you're feeling inspired to take these steps and start your journey towards financial freedom. Now comment your age below and I'll reply with the best tip for you. Start your journey to financial freedom today.